I just bought my first house and I've been remodeling it. I turned my kitchen from this to this, the kitchen of my dreams. I am on a mission to turn my builder grade home into the custom home of my dreams, and I am so excited. But first, before we get into the details, let's talk about what we had to do. First and foremost, I hated the tiles, so we ripped the floor up and replaced it with this cashmere gold floors, which I just adore. After that, my contractor and his team came and took everything out of the kitchen. I mean everything, because first and foremost, I wanted a waterfall island, so those things on the side, they had to go. Cabinets had to go. They had to bring in custom cabinetry. The quartzite slabs I had to pick out myself. Those were like around $9K, and they were even going in the bathroom because we did a full bathroom remodel as well. My contractor and his team got this whole thing done in 8-9 days. It was absolutely amazing, and they did such a great job. Like, I had the best experience ever, because once everything began to start coming together, I was like, oh, I love this. As a single 23-year-old girl, I was so scared that I was going to get got by my contractor, but when I finally saw this product, it just looks like all of my Pinterest dreams come true. So let's get into the specs. Firstly, countertops for bathroom and kitchen are Taj Mahal quartzite, which cost me about $9,000. We did this Amazon underlighting, which I think is really, really nice for the kitchen. And also, he hid all the electrical outlets underneath the cabinet, so that way the backsplash is just strictly quartzite, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I know I wanted everything to be very warm and timeless, and seeing outlets just wasn't a part of that. And we went with a white alabaster range hood, which I had to buy a whole new one. It was a whole thing. But if we could just get another round of applause for the waterfall island, thank you. Thank you so very much. I decided to go with drawers instead of doors on the stove side of the kitchen, and they're also soft close, which is something that was not implemented in the house when I bought it, which I was like, okay, I guess. It made more sense for my life to have drawers instead of the doors, and also this is my kitchen, so if your opinion is something different, I'm not asking for it. What you would do in your house is your business. We pulled the same cabinets and countertops into the master bathroom, which I think is beautiful. For the kitchen and bathroom renovation, it was $25,400. That included labor, plumbing, electrical, everything. Plus the quartz slabs, which were an extra $9,000, bringing the total for the whole job to $35,000.